Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device. So to enter secret codes, you just have to open keypad on your device and enter codes here. And the first code for today will be *## 4636 ###, and this is the testing menu. Not testing, this is like different phone information. So you can find a lot of information here. You can find battery information, you can find apps usage statistics, you can also find Wi-Fi information here, so it could be quite useful. The next code will be *## 225 ###, and this is the calendar info menu. Here you can see calendars if you have them all added on your device. The next code will be *## 2886 *##. Okay, not like this. It would be just *## 2886 ###. And this is the testing menu. Here you can test different features of your device by tapping on manual here, like GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, keys, SIM cards, and all the other features to check if they work correctly. So if you want to exit this mode, tap exit. So the next code will be *## 426 ###, and this is the Google Play Services FCM Diagnostics menu. Here you can view some of Wi-Fi connection informations or something like that. And the last code for today will be *#06#, and this is the code which displays your IMEI1, IMEI2, and some SVN number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.